In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in HubSpot using workflows. We'll start by getting into the right spot in HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account, and in the left sidebar, go to Automation, then choose Workflows. This is the command center for building automated sequences. Click Create Workflow to open a fresh canvas where you'll define who gets enrolled and what happens next. Next, pick the right kind of workflow so your automation targets the correct records. Select Start from scratch, then choose a contact-based workflow. This ensures the workflow runs on individual contacts in your database. When you're ready, click Next to move into the setup area. Now it's time to define who should enter the workflow. Click Set Enrollment Triggers. This is where you tell HubSpot exactly which contacts qualify. You can enroll people based on a contact property, such as region or lifecycle stage, on a form submission, like a newsletter sign-up or a demo request, or directly on lifecycle stage itself. You can keep it simple with a single condition, or combine criteria to get more precise. When your conditions look right, click Apply Filter to confirm the rules and save your trigger. With your audience defined, add the email action. Click the plus sign to add an action, then select Send Email. You can choose an existing marketing email if you've already built and published one, or create a new one right from here. If you're building it now, make sure the email is set up with a clear subject line, relevant content, and personalization tokens where helpful. Preview and save your email so it's ready to be sent by the workflow. Before turning anything on, take a moment to fine-tune the flow. You can add other actions if needed, such as a delay to space out communication or task creation if you want a team member to follow up. When everything is in place, click Review. This gives you a quick summary of enrollment settings, selected emails, and any delays or tasks. If everything looks good, click Turn on Workflow to start automation. From that point on, any contact who meets your enrollment trigger will enter the workflow automatically, and new contacts who qualify in the future will be added as they meet the criteria. And that's how you use automation with emails in HubSpot using workflows. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.